Taste is a complex trait, like many other traits like height or weight or the color of the skin. And this means that is a composition of environmental factors and genetic factors that is behind this sensation of taste that we have when we eat some, or when we try some food or some drinks or something like that. So there is a mixture of cultural factors, which are the environmental factors, and genetic factors. And we know already that there are several genes that are involved in the perception of taste, but still there are many others that have to be identified. And this is what now can be done by analyzing the genetics and the genomics of taste in different populations. There are several examples of genetics of taste that is different between different individuals, and one is the taste of bitter, or so that some people like coffee and some people do not like coffee. Some people need to put a lot of sugar in the coffee, and some people can drink coffee without any sugar at all. Or also the same thing with chocolate, bitter chocolate, or chocolate that that has to have many additives like sugar or milk and so on. And there is a wide variability in the population, and we know that there are genetic changes in specific genes that are related to these differences in the people that like coffee and people that do not like coffee. The genetics have played an important role in the evolution of many of the traits of humans and other mammals. And in the case of taste, it seems clear that the adaptation to different environments have been very important, especially because there are some foods there is some food that may have some dangerous components, and so especially many of the components that are present in some of the foods have the bitter taste, and likely the different composition of the human population in the perception of the different components of the food, and especially the bitter elements, have been something really crucial in the evolution of the taste perception. It seems clear that there are differences because we know that there are some geographic regions where people are eating things that are very spicy, and in others in which the people do not eat things that are spicy, and the perception to spicy things or to bitter things is different, and this likely has to do with adaptation to different climate conditions, to the availability of some elements that were present in some cultures that were not present in others, and also to the food that is available in one geographic region that is not available in another geographic region, but we still know very little about that. The genetic of food taste, or the taste to different food and different elements, will have an important impact for health. We know that there are many disorders for which obesity and feeding is really very important. One is obesity, the other one is anorexia and bulimia, and a very good knowledge about the taste preferences of the population and of the different individuals in different geographic areas will be really very important for this, and to prevent and perhaps to cure or to treat or to make an important impact on how we are dealing with this disorder.